Here's how to fully uninstall the Easy Home Screen app and delete all related metadata, backups, and leftover files so your Android device returns to its original state. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll to Apps or Apps and Notifications, then tap See All Apps, or a similar option, to view your full app list. Find Easy Home Screen in the list and tap on it to open its app info page. Select Open by Default or Set as Default, then tap Clear Defaults. This ensures the app is no longer set as your default launcher and won't open automatically when you press the Home button. Go back to the app info page and tap Uninstall. Confirm when prompted. This removes the app and its stored data. To make sure all residual metadata, backups, and leftover files are cleared, open your device's File Manager or Files app. Navigate to folders like Internal Storage, Android, Data, and look for any folder related to Easy Home Screen. You can also check the main storage for a folder with the app's name. If you find any, delete them. Some devices store backup data in a separate backup folder. Check and remove any Easy Home Screen-related backups there as well. Completing these steps will fully restore your phone to its original Android launcher, free up storage, and remove all traces of the Easy Home